How to install North Meets South app. So just tap get and then double click to install and you'll be able to install it. So this is like a catering app. Feeding your family or yourself just got easier. Our freshly made heat and eat meals take the meal stress out of the busy schedule. Order on Sunday and pick up on Thursday. We are a premier caterer in Tennessee, so it's in US. Each Sunday at 8 a.m. we open up the menu that includes meal for a family of four that only have to be put in the oven. There is a selection of single meals that you can take to work in microwave. They can also be frozen if you choose in the provided containers. We also offer side items, desserts, breads, specialty drinks, and much more. So that's basically the app. You can just download it on App Store. You can allow notifications and then you can just sign in with your account. There is also like skip button, but I'm not and then you can just select if you want to just pick up or if you just want to view menu. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app.